Use this to transform your skin overnight. In this video, I'll be telling you the ingredients I use to make this toner that when you apply it overnight, wake up the next day, you'll be feeling so good. Your skin will look so beautiful. You want to know the ingredients, you want to know how to make this DIY toner that will give you a natural glow, that will get rid of so many skin problems. The ingredients are easily available. This is something you can get around you. It's always in the kitchen. Just mix them together. Thank me later. So in case you're new here, you're welcome. This is my beauty channel. I share DIY daily tips on this channel. Consider subscribing for more tips. Like this video and also share it. Let's go on. So this toner is very natural, purely healthy. This is something that when it goes into the skin pores, you will not be afraid that causing any damage. It will cause any harm. There's no side effects. There's no preservative. I will show you how to preserve it to make it last longer. With just 3-4 ingredients, they're all good. And this will take away so many skin problems like acne, blemishes, pigmentations, dark spots. Give you a glowing, younger skin. Just continue washing. So the first ingredient is turmeric. As you can see from the color, you can tell. Those of you that says turmeric stains, it depends on how you use it. Like when you are mixing it, you have to be careful. But when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't stain the skin, of course. But when it touches a white garment or something in a brighter color, it can stain a little. Take care of it to go off. So I added turmeric, and that is because turmeric is a very good antioxidant that helps greatly to nourish your skin, fade away blemishes, dark spots. It brightens the skin. It gives a beautiful glow. So do not joke with turmeric. Try to get it, the powder or the fresh one. So I'll also tell you the quantity to use. The next one is apple cider vinegar. To make a very good toner that will treat some skin problems, you need apple cider vinegar. It contains antibacterial properties. Also, it helps to balance the skin pH, removing dark spots, like I said, and blemishes. So it's something you need to get. So the next one, which you don't need to joke with, is aloe vera gel. So when it comes to a younger skin, when it comes to a firmer skin, when it comes to getting rid of loose skin, think of aloe vera. Adding it into this toner will help to tighten loose skin. It helps to firm dangling skin, a loose skin. It helps also soothe irritation. If you have skin irritation, redness, and all that, it will help greatly and preventing sunburn. So try to add it. So another wonderful one which I love a lot is rose water. Rose water here helps to balance the skin pH. It minimizes dark spots. It helps to firm the skin, tighten skin pores, removing wrinkles gradually, minimize so much oil from the skin, giving you a beautiful uniform skin. It's time to show you how I make this. So for this size, you will need to get the measurement rightly so that you will not overdo it, so that you will not cause skin irritation. Measurement is very important here. So what I added here is half teaspoon of turmeric. A teaspoon is just that, a baby spoon. So just half of it. Add it into a bottle or a bowl. Measure in 70 ml of this rose water into the bowl. Then you add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to make this size. Aloe vera gel, I added 1 tablespoon of it. I added and I mix and mix. You can use a whisker to mix it so that everything will mix properly. Then after mixing it, it's time for you to add any essential oil of your choice. I normally add tea tree oil. That is because I have an acne prone skin, but you won't notice it because I always take care of it. Sometimes I break out like so well unexpectedly, and sometimes it just happens. But I always know how to take care of it so that it should not. Look at this one. The spot is fading away. Okay, if you look closely, you see that I have some tiny ones. But before, it used to be so much, so obvious, big ones. So this is very effective whenever I want to use it on your face. Ensure there are no makeup. Ensure that your face is clean by using a gentle wash. Use a warm water to wash your face, or use gentle soap, that is meant for the facial skin. Wash off all makeups, all dirt, so that this will be able to penetrate and work better. So I don't have makeup on my face. I've washed my face before showing this remedy. Okay, there are no debts, so that this will penetrate and work better. So whenever I want to use this, okay, either I use a cotton pad, either I use a cotton wool, a cotton pad, or you just spray it on the face. Okay, for those that want to be careful of turmeric stain, you can just use your cotton pad. But me, I normally close my lip, close my eyes, and spray. I think this is better. It will just go everywhere. Okay, so this is a very good way to apply it. You can just use this as well, like I said earlier. Very good. Just spray on the cotton wool. Okay, just spray some amounts. Make sure you don't use ordinary water. Use rose water. I know what I'm saying. And apply. Spray and apply on those blemishes, on those dark spots, on everywhere. If you just want to make your skin glow and firm, look younger with this recipe and thank me later. So try to follow the instructions and make yours. You won't regret it. Store it in the refrigerator maximum of 10 days. Please do not exceed it when it comes to toner. Make a fresh one. Shake it anytime you want to use and have a glowing skin. Use it twice daily, morning and night, and allow it to dry. You can apply your facial cream after that. You're all good. I always prefer to use it at night so that when I wake up, my skin will be looking so glowing, so beautiful. I just love it. So try to make yours and tell me how it goes. So here is a video, a very good one you need to watch. So try to like and share this video. I will see you next time.